Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Studio tutorial 170 and today's topic is how to add a custom node in a user flow diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you see a feature called Concept Sketcher. Now in Concept Sketcher, we use it in ALN Studio to generate a user flow diagram. I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is an online shopping system where user interaction happens. And this diagram for me got generated in 15 to 20 seconds with 99% of accuracy. Now today we are talking about if I have to add a node, so I can drag and place this diagram anywhere and click on the add node button over here. This node would be added. I can place this node anywhere on the canvas. Okay, now if I have to update the name of this, so I can change this, and for example if I do notification. Okay, okay, something like this. Then I can add it. If I want to increase the size of this, I can do this. If I want to make it long like this, I can do it. Make short like this. I can place it anywhere now. If I want to connect it to any existing node, then simply wait for this to come and you can attach it like this. So you can create a new node, customize its label, and place it anywhere on the canvas. This helps you to represent the additional screens, additional actions, or decision points that may not be available by default. So basically, adding a custom node in ALN Studio helps you make your user flow diagrams more flexible and personalized. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.